I got this idea from Her Dark Materials on Instagram. She has a moody medieval style that is totally unique, and she's extremely funny. If you're not following her, you should be. We have 1 1/4 cups of exuberance in our bowl. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons kosher salt, a pinch of paprika, and I'm gonna do 2 pinches, and a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary. And we'll stir that all together. I'm gonna bake these on 2 half-sheet baking pans. You can use whatever cookie sheets you have. I'm oiling up a sheet of parchment paper. I usually use parchment paper, but you can make them without. So I'm gonna make one with and one without, and we're gonna see how they turn out. Pour half of your batter onto your 2 baking pans. You wanna spread the batter as thinly as you possibly can. The thinner, the better. I've just realized I was a little heavy-handed on my olive oil on my pan. You can see I have little like places where the batter isn't settling because there's a little bit too much oil there. Doesn't really matter because when you make these, you're gonna crack them all up anyway, but don't do as I did and be heavy-handed when you oil the pan. Maybe take a paper towel instead and just very lightly put a tiny thin layer of oil on your pan. Preheat your oven to 350 and bake for 40 minutes. I'm gonna switch my pans halfway through cooking. I'm gonna move to the different level, and then I'm gonna turn them around. I see little corners way out here that are looking like they might already be cooked, so I'm gonna grab it. Golden brown, hot out of the oven. Oh my God. I've been known to eat an entire pan of these. These are cooking a little faster than I thought, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the time and probably take them out a little early. The crackers on my baking sheet without parchment have cooked faster. These were probably only in for about 25, 30 minutes. And then I'm putting them on a piece of, or a, what's this called again? It's very hot in here, it's very hot. This is called a rack. Menopause plus hot kitchen equals forgetting shit. These are my parchment paper crackers. They took about 30, 35 minutes. Both cooked a little faster. Then I just crack them up into cracker-sized bits. Crispy, golden brown, hot out of the oven. And you can store these for a week. Mine never lasts more than a day. They're so good.